everyone, my name is Bowen Luo. We are very excited to welcome you to Introduction to Marketing Analytics course.
I'm Yehu. Professor Luo and I co-developed this course to help you build a solid foundation in marketing analytics. For consistent learning experience, we'll be using the same video recordings in both semesters.
And I will be in charge of all matters related to this course in this semester. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to a great semester ahead.
Go Cougs!
Now, I will give you an orientation of Introduction to Marketing Analytics. In this orientation, I will go through some of the most important things for taking this course. The first question we often ask about marketing analytics is, I'm doing marketing as a marketer. Why do I need to learn analytics? The reason is simple. Marketing used to have to only deal with survey data. Nowadays, the websites, the apps, everything that we use collects data. So for a marketer, analytics has become a new language in the business world. When it comes to marketing, analytics has become a backbone skill even for marketers. This is the main motive why we offer this course. Do I have to know math? Well, throughout the early academic years, from elementary school to middle school, high school, and college, we have learned various mathematics from basic numbers and counting to algebra to calculus. It becomes more and more complicated. And here's the good news. This is where we are, spreadsheet-based analytics. Although it may seem like a very simple tool, Excel can give you a lot of marketing insight. The goals of this course are threefold. First is to understand data. Data can come in different formats. The most common ones are numbers, like price, number of viewers, customer demographics like age and gender. And data can also come in formats like text, such as review and content. So our first goal here is to understand data. The second goal is to be good at Excel. Excel has become the most basic business language to communicate ideas and share results. For the marketing analytics course, this is what we want to achieve. You becoming really good at Excel. The third goal is to be able to tackle marketing issues analytically. You have learned all these marketing concepts from earlier courses: advertising, sales, price, product, promotion, place, customer satisfaction, etc. Every single concept you've learned can be enhanced with marketing analytics. So we are going to tap into the analytics side of these concepts. And these are the three goals. This class goes on a weekly cycle. For each week, we are going to release new materials. So step 1 is to study the video clips and the slides posted. Step 2 is to complete the quizzes to check your learning on the basis of the posted material. Step 3 goes a little bit deeper, so you complete the assignment. Step 4, if you have questions about the materials, come to the office hours. You can find the link and the time of the office hours on the syllabus. So as you see here, for this course, we go on a weekly cycle, and like a face-to-face course, it's very important to study these materials on a weekly basis. These are the three main components for the assessment of this course: weekly quizzes and assignment. And again, as you see, these are very important components for the learning experience. And we have two tests. So how to ace this class? Here are a few things. First, to have interest in marketing questions. An interest breeds motivation. And with motivation, no difficulty cannot be conquered. Number 2, as mentioned earlier, we update course materials on a weekly basis. Number 3, I will post course materials and also links to YouTube video clips. These video clips are going to be extremely helpful for you to understand the course materials. Number 4, as you could imagine, this course is heavily Excel-based, so you need to have access to a computer, and you can use computers on campus. And finally, if you have questions, come to the office hours. They are very, very helpful. Since this is an online course, we have online office hours. You can see the syllabus for details. So what next after you watch this orientation video clip? First is to read the syllabus carefully. The syllabus has all the details, including the tentative schedule of the classes. So read the syllabus carefully. Second, as a practice, take the first weekly quiz to check your learning on this orientation. This quiz will count towards your total grade. These are some frequently asked questions. And this is a final tip. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thank you and keep up the good work.